Riya Chakrabarti is currently on her way to the Narcotics Control Bureau for the third round of questioning as the agency probes the drug link in the Sushant death case. She will once again be confronted with the 5 arrested in the case, including her brother Shouvik, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-house manager Samuel Miranda, as well as drug peddlers Zaid and Basit. Riya's WhatsApp drug chats are also under scrutiny. According to NCB sources, the financial trail is being looked into. It's suspected that Riya actually paid for the narcotic substances. If this is proven, it will be crucial evidence against her, and she'll be booked under Section 27 of the NDPS Act for financing drugs. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live from outside the NCB office. Mustafa, we understand that Riya is expected to reach any time now. I want to understand from you what really is going to be the focus of the interrogation today. Day 3 of her questioning, what we understand is there could be some sort of focus on the financing of these drugs, even if it was for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, of course, that will be the obvious angle to ask for as to how was the money and from where it was coming from. I'll just show you behind us what preparations are here. The police officials standing here outside the NCB office in large numbers. You can see these police officers standing, waiting for Riya Chakrabarti to arrive at NCB office for the third day of questioning. The entire area is barricaded so that only Riya Chakrabarti and Mumbai police officials can be there. So this preparation now is an everyday affair. Whenever Riya Chakrabarti is called, these preparations are being made by Mumbai police. The media people are outside this area. From here, the road which you can see behind us, this is the road from where Riya Chakrabarti's vehicle will be arriving in few minutes. Questions which are going to be asked to her will be mainly the financing of the narcotics. It will also relate to if she was aware that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming narcotics, why didn't she do anything? Because the important point what the NCB is also trying to make is that a person suffering from bipolar diseases or mental illnesses could take such a step and due to narcotics and anxiety, and she was staying with him, she could also be held responsible for causing death due to negligence. So all these are angles with which the NCB is investigating this entire case and to find out whether they can get some more evidence against Riya Chakrabarti. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, we'll be tracking the story very, very closely and all the updates that are coming in. For the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.